Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head to head so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we've got a showdown between two titans of the 3D printing world. On the left, we have the Creality Ender 3, and on the right, the Creality Halot-Mage Resin 3D printer. Let's dive in and see which one deserves a place in your workshop. First up, let's talk about the price. The Ender 3 comes in at a wallet-friendly $232. That's like getting a decent printer for the price of a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the Halot-Mage is strutting in with a price tag of $309. Reviewers have noted that while the Ender 3 is budget-friendly, the Halot-Mage offers premium features that might justify the extra cost. Is it worth the extra dough? Well, stick around to find out. Next, we have assembly. The Ender 3 claims to be easy and quick to assemble, with only 2 hours and 20 nuts to screw in. Sounds like IKEA furniture, but without the meatballs. Reviewers have confirmed that with the help of online videos, the Ender 3 is indeed a manageable project, even for beginners. On the other hand, the Halot-Mage doesn't even mention assembly in its documentation. Some users speculate it might be more complex, or perhaps Creality wants to keep it a mystery. Now, let's talk tech. The Ender 3 boasts advanced extruder technology, reducing plugging risks and ensuring smooth, noiseless prints. It's like the ninja of 3D printers, silent but deadly. Accurate. Reviewers have praised it for its reliability and capability to create detailed prints. The Halot-Mage, however, is flexing its 8K high-precision muscles. With 33,177,600 pixels and a 29.7 micrometers XY resolution, it's like the Picasso of the 3D printing world. Hair, fabric, even skin textures. This bad boy brings them all to life. Reviewers agree that the Halot-Mage excels in producing high-detail prints, making it a strong contender for those needing precision. What's a good printer without some cool features? The Ender 3 has a resume printing function, so if your cat decides to have a power outage party, you're covered. It also heats up faster than my microwave. 5 minutes to reach 100 degrees. Reviewers have found these features particularly useful, especially for beginners. Meanwhile, the Halot-Mage has a unique orange Mage Arch flip lid. One-hand operation blocks 99.89% of ambient UV light and looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Plus, it's odor-free, thanks to a built-in activated carbon filter. No more resinous stink bombs in your workspace. Reviewers have highlighted these features as major advantages, particularly for those sensitive to odors. Speaking of environments, the Halot-Mage is all about that fresh air. With a vent hole for a vent tube and a massive activated carbon filter, it's practically a spa day for your nostrils. Reviewers appreciate the odor control, especially when using resin. The Ender 3? Well, it's more of a tough-it-out soldier kind of vibe. No frills, just prints. Reviewers have noted that, while it lacks advanced environmental controls, it gets the job done without any fuss. Last but not least, support. The Ender 3 offers lifetime technical support. You break it, they'll help you fix it forever. Reviewers have praised this lifetime support, finding it invaluable for troubleshooting. The Halot-Mage, meanwhile, gives you a 12-month after-sales service and a 3-month VIP of Chitubox Pro slicing software. It's like having a tech support genie, but with a 12-month expiration date. Reviewers have found the inclusion of Chitubox Pro to be a nice bonus, but some have experienced issues with support after the warranty period. Overall, Reviewers find the Comgrow Creality Ender 3 to be a reliable and budget-friendly option, especially suitable for beginners who enjoy DIY projects. It has a strong community and ample support available. On the other hand, the Creality Halot-Mage Resin 3D printer is praised for its high precision and advanced features, making it ideal for users needing detailed and odor-free prints. However, it comes with a steeper price and a shorter support window. Thanks for tuning in, Smart Shoppers. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic product showdowns. Comment below on which printer you think won this battle and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. Until then, buy smart and stay savvy.